One.
Hai, welcome back again to Pretty India.
Hi.
Welcome back, Jason.
Welcome back to Hidaya channel. Today we have this vegetable color. It's really a good color. It's really fun. Come with this three color: blue, yellow, and red. It's ABC. So each tablet has alphabet. Yeah. We're gonna put the blue color only today, okay? Should we put another blue?
Yeah, little blue.
Okay. Are you mixing?
Yes.
Okay. You ready for surprise?
Yes, but
Okay. Just a second.
a big one.
Okay. Are you excited? Okay. One more. Okay, Hidaya. Are you excited to open it? Okay. The heart. Can you show mommy the heart? How many you have the heart egg? One. Three. Okay, you counted. Okay.
Hello, pig.
Yeah.
Help,
Help,
help.
help. Come here. Let mommy. What is inside? Okay, Hidaya got this Donald Duck. Yeah.
It's Bible. Okay.
Mm-hmm. That's okay. Okay, open another one. You want to open the heart again?
Yeah.
You need help?
Yeah, make her.
Okay. Here, open here. You have what? You have this. Cool. You have Goofy. Okay.
Goofy.
Yeah, we're gonna put Goofy here. Open another one next.
Ah.
Okay. You got the Mickey Mouse? Yeah, Hidaya got this Mickey Mouse. That's cool. And I can move it like that. Okay. Put here. Okay. You want to open another one?
Open. Then it's another one.
What is that? That is Minnie Mouse. Hidaya also got this Minnie Mouse. We're gonna put here, okay? Can you open more egg?
Okay, the blue one.
Okay, that's the purple. Open. You can open it. Good job, honey. That is Donald Duck. Okay, this is that Donald Duck. This Donald Duck wear a hat. Okay, we're gonna put here. You open another one. What you got?
The Mickey Mouse.
It's the Mickey Mouse. Open another one, Hidaya.
A red.
Wow, you got Minnie Mouse. It's beautiful Minnie Mouse. We're gonna put here.
Second one.
Okay. This is Daisy. Cool. Another one. What you got? Another Daisy. Hey. We're gonna put open next.
Mommy.
That is Mickey Mouse. Okay, open next. That is the Mickey Mouse again. Oh no! Put on here. Okay. Okay. And also Hidaya got this one. Open next. You need help?
Me too.
Okay. What? That is Mickey Mouse. This is another Mickey Mouse. Actually, this is Minnie Mouse, Hidaya.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put here. Open next. Okay, red one. Okay, open. Another Mickey Mouse. Yay! We're gonna put here.
Something there.
That's the yellow one. You wanna open it
No,
now?
it's again. It's something.
Okay.
Something.
Okay, let's open another one. Okay, open. That is Mickey Mouse. Oh my goodness, now this is Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse wearing some Japanese clothing.
Next.
Yes.
Next is flower.
Yeah. Purple one. What is inside? Can you show to mommy?
So.
It's Mickey Mouse. Okay. Next. Next. Open next.
Where's the next?
There.
Next.
3. That has the yellow.
Yay!
Mhm.
I'm gonna open.
Okay. What is Donald Duck and the color is white and black. Open another one.
Then the blue.
Yes.
Then the blue.
Mhm. Also, they got another Donald Duck. We're gonna put here. What? You got another one? Let me see.
It's blue.
Yeah. Got the Minnie Mouse wearing some cheerleader outfit. Okay, can you open next? The red one?
Next.
The red one? Here. There.
I made open again.
Mhm. You got another Donald Duck. Yay. Open next.
So don't open.
Okay. You need help? You need help? Okay. Open. You got the Pluto. This is Pluto. Yeah. Okay. You want more surprise?
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna have more surprise. You ready for more surprise?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next.
More surprise. Okay, open now.
Open.
Yes, what you have? Open. The big Mickey Mouse. You have the big Mickey Mouse. Kamu tuh dari? Yay.
Next is the
Okay,
yellow.
open. Minnie Mouse. Open next. This one to mommy. This is Minnie Mouse. This is so special because her feet can open here. The shoes can open, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I get next.
Okay. You can open next. We're gonna put here. Daisy! You got Daisy! Yay! Okay.
This is where the puppy.
Okay, open more purple one. Open. You got Donald Duck too. We get Donald Duck. Yes. And Daisy. So to mommy Daisy? Is that Daisy and Donald Duck? Yeah. Okay. Open last one. Open last one, the big one here.
A paper.
What's inside?
And
It's Mickey Mouse. Yay.
was that? Baby.
Yeah, that's Mickey Mouse. Yeah.
Thank you.
Mommy, okay. All done today.
See? A kind of animal. Oh, that's so full. That's full. Okay, it's really full. Cause that's the way. It's so wet. Wet? Oh no. Okay, take it.